If you're running an agency or thinking about starting one, you're probably paying for 5 or 6 different tools every single month. A CRM here, an email platform there, a funnel builder, a scheduler, a review tool. It adds up fast, and it's a mess to manage. There's a better way. Most small agency owners spend more time managing their tech stack than actually serving clients. You've got MailChimp for email, Calendly for booking, ClickFunnels for funnels, HubSpot or Zoho for your CRM, and none of them talk to each other cleanly. You're paying $400, $500, sometimes over $1,000 a month just to keep the lights on. And when something breaks, you're troubleshooting 3 different platforms at once. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform built specifically for agencies. It replaces your CRM, your email marketing, your funnel builder, your appointment scheduler, your SMS tool, your review management, and your client reporting, all under one login. It was built by agency owners for agency owners. The entire platform is designed around one idea. Stop paying for 10 tools when one can do the job better. And unlike the generic platforms that try to serve everyone, GoHighLevel is laser-focused on what agencies actually need to acquire clients, deliver results, and scale. First, everything is connected. Your leads, your follow-up sequences, your appointments, your invoices, all in one place, talking to each other automatically. Second, you can white label the entire platform. That means you can resell GoHighLevel to your own clients under your brand and charge them monthly. It becomes a revenue stream, not just an expense. Third, the automation is built for non-developers. You don't need to know how to code. You drag, drop, and launch. Most agency owners are fully set up within a week. If you want to test it yourself, there's a link below where you can start a free trial. No credit card pressure, no complicated onboarding. Just log in and see if it fits. I'll be breaking down exactly how to use it in the videos ahead, so subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.